Have you seen the thing out the road about they're recruiting people to go abroad?
Yes,
I'm not going nowhere.
I'm going. I'm
No,
going.
no, no, you can't. What? I don't trust them. Lex,
Why?
you're our husband. What
No,
you say?
no, me no want you go out there. Serious, me no want you go out there. They're not, you're
You
not good for me.
are
You're
you
not
coming
good for me.
too?
No, me not go babes. No, babes, me not go out there. Serious.
No, I don't trust them. You hear what happened to Miss Irie daughter? Miss Irie daughter went and she had to run come home because it was freezing cold and they told her the streets were paved with gold. That's what they told her. Hmm?
Yeah, but
And you still want to go there?
yes, man, she can handle. She, the wind will blow her
Why?
down and she fall over. She hasn't got no backbone. I'm gonna
No,
go and do me nursing there, 5 years, and
Look,
then
man, they're putting
we
posters.
come back.
you can't go over there, babes. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Serious, I'm gonna miss you.
What do you mean? You
You
coming
can't
too,
go.
man? What do you mean you miss me?
5 years.
Me not go out there. Me not go out there.
Why not?
Me say cold like puppy nose out there. Me not go out there.
Really? So you
No, me
So
not go out
and
there.
look, if Lex goes out there, what's going to happen to the farm, to the land? What's going to happen to the land?
get Jojo to come and work the land. He come and help all the time. So just get Jojo and he can do it. And you pay him a
See,
little
and then
something.
Jojo alone,
What?
Jojo alone cannot manage this land. We've got riches here in Jamaica. Why do we need to go to England? Why do we need to go there?
Because they say come to England, the mother country, and build your fortune and come back home and build me house with me husband.
5 years
Look,
is a
man,
long time, babes.
Yeah,
5 years is too long.
5 years short, it's not long, it's short.
That's too long,
Blink
babes.
and it
That's too
gone.
long. No, that's too
five
long.
years is too long. And not only that, you will freeze your butt off out there.
We just get some
Where you gonna
kerosene,
live?
couple
Where you gonna live?
in a
You see
Where you
house.
the,
gonna live?
you see the room them box and small, the room them small. You
Yeah,
can't
but
live out
Yes.
there.
England gonna look after me and they'll sort me house out.
No, because you know how you're going to get warm in them one room place? You have to put kerosene oil in one something. You put kerosene oil and then
Mm.
you and then that's how you're going to heat up the place.
Yeah, but
Kerosene oil is very expensive in England.
but I'll be
How
making lots of
much?
money. Only for 3 months of the year it's gonna be
Say that
cold.
again.
3 months of
And
the
the rest of
year
the time, and the rest of the time,
it will be
eh?
warm and
What you
nice.
can do?